Good day, everybody. So today we will tackle the playing actions and the interruptions, delays, and intervals in volleyball, of course. In playing actions, so the ball is in play the moment the service is authorized by the referee, while the ball is out of play the moment the ball is at fault and the whistle of any referee would be heard. So each team must play within its own playing area and space. However, it can be retrieved from beyond its own free zone. Team hits. So there are actually what we call consecutive hit and simultaneous hit. Consecutive hit is wherein a player touches the ball more than once and it is not allowed, while the simultaneous contact is wherein the 2 or 3 players touches the ball at the same time and it is okay. So player at the net, so reaching beyond the net, penetration under the opponent's net given that it does not interfere with opponent's play. However, if a player makes an action that can hinder the opponent's legitimate attempt to play, then it is considered as fault. So the first service is actually decided by a toss, and the player must follow the service order according to the order records on the lineup list. Next is the attack hit. So it can be completed at the moment the ball is completely crosses the net or is touched by the opponent. Blocking is the action done by the player close to the net to intercept the ball and to block the ball on serve. So let's say to block the opponent's serve is not allowed. Let's talk now about the interruption, delays, and the interval. So the interruptions. So there are the number of regular interruption that each team requests is the maximum of 2 times and 6 substitution. So request for game interruption can be requested by the coach or by the team captain. Substitution. It is the act done by which a player enters the game to occupy the position of another player. There is also a limitation of substitution, wherein the substitute player may enter the game in replace for another, but only once per set. However, the exceptional substitution may happen. It is true, for example, if the player can continue the game because of some injury, then he must be substituted legally. However, due to some reasons or possible reasons that the team cannot substitute legally, then the exceptional substitution beyond the limit happens. So the substitution of one member can happen not once but more than once. Then the exceptional game interruption is the injury or illness. So if the serious injury happened while on game, so the first referee would request the medic to come on the court and attend the injured. Then so the injured, if he must be substituted legally. However, if there's no other member that can substitute him, the first referee would give him 3 minutes to recover. If he can recover for that 3 minutes, then the team will be entitled as incomplete. So the intervals and change of court. The intervals actually last 3 minutes, and the change of court is done every after set. Those are all, and thank you.